असल्याबद्दल आणि त्यांनी आमचे केलेल्या सतत मार्गदर्शनाबद्दल आम्ही त्यांचे उपकार मानता. पंचायताचे संचालक श्री महादेव आरोंदेकर सर हांचे आम्ही त्यांनी सदा दिल्ल्या
आपल्या बरोबर सगळ्या बाबतींत पेटयता. आयज गरज आसा आमकां सगळ्यांक एकठांय येवन ह्या स्वच्छते खातीर वावुरपाची.
On 24th, 2026, we will be having National Panchayat Day. In order to propel the panchayats to do good work, I have announced different awards. Best management of garbage, keeping the area clean, involvement of more people towards that work, and adopting the best practices. वेगळे आणि award announce केला, including the best BDO and the best secretary who pushes his panchayat to do the best work. Idea is we are a tourism state. Panchayat almost I think comprises more than 70% of the area covered, or the mass covered in Goa, or maybe slightly more. If we keep that Goa that much clean, then it will be really a clean and a green Goa. All it needs is the commitment of every sarpanch, every panch, every secretary, and our directorate of panchayat to push them towards that goal. When our honorable Prime Minister, whose birthday we are celebrating today, 75th birthday, when he is taking so much of effort, when he himself had launched this program in 2017, we know from where to where we have reached now. Swachh Bharat Mission 1, Mission 2, now we are on Mission 3. We know that we have reached a very comfortable level, but I want more things to be done. That is what I have asked them, and they are willing to do it. We have seen the tremendous response and the enthusiasm shown by the panchayat. I compliment them at the same time for the good work done, but I expect them to do more, which surely will happen.
So you said that
as far as the 15th Finance Commission funds are concerned, there is something called tied funds and untied funds. First, it was not allowed. We have taken permission from the centre that they should be allowed to utilize those funds for SVM mission. Otherwise, those funds are just lying like that, which they have allowed. Now we will work out even a smoother way how to do it. And in the same direction, recently I attended a conference with the Honorable Minister, Mr. B.R. Patil, and I made a point. Goa may have you all give funds to us for all other things based on our population. We may be 18 lakh population. What about the tourists who are more than 1 crore tourists who are descending on Goa? They generate that much of garbage. So we need funds for those garbage, for that garbage as well. So he said he is going to consider Goa as a very special case. So we are waiting for things to happen.
Very outset, I take this opportunity to express our deep gratitude to our chief guest, Honorable Sri Mavin Gadina Sir, Honorable Minister for Transport, Industries, Trade and Commerce, Panchayati Raj, Protocol and Hospitality, and Legislative Affairs, for gracing this occasion with his esteemed presence and for his continuous guidance and leadership in driving transformative initiatives in the Panchayat sector. I also extend a special welcome to Madam Srimati Cheshta Yadav, IAS, whose dynamic leadership and efforts are a source of inspiration to all of us in strengthening grassroots governance and people's participation. I also extend a special welcome to Sri Kamla Prasad Yadav, Sarpanch of Chikalim Panchayat. Equally important are all the Sarpanchas, Deputy Sarpanchas, Panch members, BDOs, Panchayat secretaries, and my colleagues sitting on the dais. All these Panchayats, Sarpanchas, secretaries are the pillars of local governance, and it is through your dedication and active participation that the vision of Swachhata Goa can truly be realized. Friends, Swachhata Hi Seva is not merely a campaign. It is a movement, a call for an action. It reminds us that sanitation, waste management and cleanliness are not government responsibilities alone, but a people's mission that requires collective ownership. Each panchayat, each villager and each citizen and has a role to play in making cleanliness a way of life. With the launch of Swachhata Hi Seva 2025, it will be going on for a fortnight. Let us renew our pledge to work hand in hand to ensure proper waste segregation, effective waste management, and to nurture awareness and transform our villages into models of cleanliness and sustainability. On this note, I once again welcome all and look forward to a fruitful deliberation and collective action in days ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
On the inauguration of Swachhata Hi Seva program. For the variety, I'll mix Hindi and English. Goa has come a long way, and I think we should be proud of our achievements. Goa और दूसरे स्टेट से बहुत आगे है, ना सिर्फ स्वच्छता में आगे है, लेकिन टेक्निक्स में भी आगे है, गवर्नेंस में आगे है, डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड गवर्नेंस में आगे है, और यहाँ का जो पंचायत सिस्टम है वो और बहुत सारे स्टेट्स भारतवर्ष के जो हैं उनसे बहुत ही आगे है. आई थिंक वी डिजर्व वन राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर कमिंग अ लॉन्ग वे फ्रॉम वे वी वर. बहुत सारे राज्य हैं सर अभी भी वेस्ट डोर टू डोर वेस्ट कलेक्शन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आज यहाँ हमारे सामने एग्जाम्पल है, एक प्लांट पंचायत ने बना लिया है और सेल्फ सफिशिएंट प्लांट जहाँ पे वो किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है, ना वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पे डिपेंडेंट है, और एक ऐसा प्लांट जो रिसाइकलिंग एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर जो अभी भी पूरे भारतवर्ष में सिर्फ डिस्कशन के तौर पे देखा जा रहा है, ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर जैसी चीज गोवा ने आज पाली है. आई थिंक गोवा हैज शोन टू दी कंट्री दैट वी can do and we will always do better. But having said that, today is also a day where we should not be complacent. There are a lot of challenges. इस राज्य को भी बहुत challenges face करने पड़ेंगे. Our tourists, our inflow of tourists, our inflow of migrants, our carrying capacity, our own population, the waste generation, ये कम नहीं होगा बल्कि बढ़ेगा ही. तो आज सिर्फ एक कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस करने का तो दिन जरूर है, लेकिन वी शुड नॉट बी कंप्लेसेंट इन आवर एफर्ट्स. वी शुड लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर. जो पंचायतें अच्छा कर रही हैं उससे और पंचायतें दूसरे सीखें, एंड ओवरऑल वी शुड बी ऑन द टॉप. वी हैव ऑलवेज बीन ऑन द टॉप एंड वी शुड मेंटेन आवर पोजीशन. द यूएसपी ऑफ आवर स्टेट इज क्लेanliness. द क्लेanliness इज ट्रीटेड एज नेक्स्ट टू गॉडलीनेस. आज का जो थीम है स्वच्छ उत्सव, उत्सव इज अ फेस्टिवल. उत्सव इज समथिंग दैट वी ऑल, इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू आवर हार्ट्स. चाहे गणेश उत्सव हो, चाहे दुर्गा पूजा हो, चाहे क्रिसमस हो, चाहे ईद हो, दीज आर द थिंग्स विच वी आर क्लोज टू आवर हार्ट. एंड सिमिलरली cleanliness should always be close to our hearts. Cleanliness should always be on the top of the priority of all the panchayats. As Secretary Panchayat, I've just joined recently as Secretary Panchayat. I assure you, किसी भी प्रकार की टेक्निकल या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव इश्यूज हैं तो वी आर देयर फॉर यू, बट वी वांट टू सी गोवा ऑलवेज ऑन द टॉप, ऑलवेज शाइनिंग, always clean and always proud of our achievements. Thank you.